Hey everybody, Christy here from Kaleideum, coming today to bring you a quick, easy, at-home activity you could do. We have simple items that you can find in your kitchen, hopefully. If not, you have them somewhere around the house. 3 quick little items here. We have some liquid glue. You can use clear glue or Elmer's glue, anything but super glue. You can find some other recipes that'll show you all different kinds of glues options. We also have our starch, liquid starch, and to give it a little St. Patrick's Day color, happy St. Patrick's Day, we're going to use some green coloring here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to grab our liquid glue and we are going to add about 200 milliliters of liquid glue, and then we're going to add our starch. And you can measure this out or you can kind of get a feel-ski for it, but usually about 1/3 cup. Well, let's see what we get going here. Will help get this fun slime mixture going. And then we're gonna mix a little bit of green because you know what? We're gonna make it in honor of St. Patrick's Day. So here we go. Mix and mix and mix. And hopefully you will come out with some great looking slime like this. Now I hear that leprechauns are attracted to gold, so if you want to make it a leprechaun trap, leprechaun slime, you can add a little gold glitter. And then of course always, you can put it in your Ziploc bag like this. Boop, boop, boop. And you got a stress ball. All that fun at home. See you later. Thanks for visiting.